Good morning, evening, or afternoon, whichever one's going on for you at this current point in time. Today we're talking about something pretty simple, just like a tip of the day type of situation, and that is right here. See that plug? Look closer. See that gap? We got to talk about something real quick. Let's say for whatever reason you hired somebody to add another outlet, and for whatever reason they did that nonsense. Maybe they cut a 16th on one side too much, a quarter inch on one side, an eighth inch on another side. They just eyeballed it and called themselves a handy person. Sorry that happened to you first and foremost, but there's two ways you can go about it. You can either do the professional job, which is to take off the cap, cut the patch out, drywall it, make it look nicer, build up that compound, sand it, paint it, beautiful. Or you can potentially just get a bigger cover. Now, this costs $2, but let's assume you wanted to do it the professional way. There are people, especially during inflation, who are unable to, afford their rent and food and everything, and then to have to pay X amount of dollars for a repair that should have been done the first time. It is what it is. Now, of course, you're thinking, well, why don't you just tell the person who messed up to pay for it again? Let's assume that this was a family member, a friend, a neighbor, somebody who you just don't want to take to court, or you just don't want to make it a big deal. Let's assume we're talking about going to Home Depot and picking up your cheapest of the cheap stuff. And that is $5 for a joint knife, $5 for a little bit of joint compound, $5 for the joint tape, and then $20 for a 24 by 24 square, which is the cheapest they have, for drywall. And then that's not even counting drywall clips and a sanding block, which might be like $15 with like assorted sanding grits. We're talking about potentially $60 plus, and that's not even including the paint. Like, you are just gonna have a patch here that's like white because it's all sanded and it's just joint compound that's flattened. It's gonna look better than that, but we're talking maybe 40, 50, 60, $80. If primer, no primer, please save yourself the frustration. Get a bigger plate. This is Leviton 3/4 inch. The standard ones that they use are the 3/8. Now, of course, with that little crack, if you don't put tape here, you can feel a draft in front of this box. Obviously, I wired everything correctly because the original person did not know what they were doing, but they overcut and it's just not good. So let's put in the bigger plate and see what covers what. So this is before, right? It's about a 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/16 of an inch on top. On the left, we're talking about a 1/4 inch, maybe a little more. On the right, probably about a 1/16 of an inch there, right? Jumbo plate coming in. Much better. See how it covers? Now, some of you might be complaining and saying, wait a minute, isn't the big one like ridiculously like noticeable? If it's next to another outlet, won't it look weird? Well, just pick up another one and just make them symmetrical. Not a big deal. If you're that concerned about it, they also sell the jumbos for your toggle switches. So if you want to, put them on your light switches, make one room all jumbo, they're all going to look a lot more symmetrical. But that's the way to do it without having to spend probably $1.50 doing a small repair like this. And the last thing I'm going to say is, when you do it, please make them vertical. If you feel like they're a little bit off, go back and just give them a little snugging to the left or to the right. They don't have to be rock solid tight, but make sure they're nice. And then do somebody the courtesy. If they got kids, put little caps in any of the outlets they're not regularly using. That looks so much better. So this saved you some money, not a big deal. And you can save actual money for restoring paint that is obviously seen better days. This is more of like a, this is my treadmill here. So this is kind of like a workout type of area. So some bumps and bruises may happen. That is, it just happens. So Save money on things that are not that crazy that you need to be putting more trauma to your wall. Apologies on the dirty nails. I was working on a vehicle earlier this morning. Super simple tip of the day. Bigger cover plate, not a big deal. And until next time, work smart.